Since the birth of numbers, their influence has quietly permeated every corner of our world. They exist in the flow of time, in the path of destiny, in the code of wealth, in every fleeting choice, even in the casual roll of a dice. Random numbers may seem chaotic, yet they are destined by hidden order. All of it originates from the harmony of mathematics, the intersection of logic and mystery. This time, Mato presents a brand new perspective, unveiling 3 unique creations that explore the connection between numbers and the human mind. The spectator freely chooses a 1- or 2-digit wooden block, while the magician places a sealed prediction in plain view. The blocks are then shuffled randomly and placed into the matrix. When 4 random 8-digit numbers are summed, the final result perfectly matches the prediction. This is Prophecy Matrix, created by Mato. Prophecy Matrix features a body crafted from North American black walnut, combined with high-transparency acrylic and UV color printing. It is calm yet lively, elegant yet modern. Not only a magic prop, but also a collector's piece worthy of display. Its system is simple and its operation effortless, requiring no force or manipulation. Every decision truly belongs to the spectator. What you receive is not merely a prop, but an entire numerical prophecy system, designed to be seamlessly integrated into any performance. Moreover, it can be combined with other effects, such as color tests, to create a richer, more engaging, and immersive experience.